Hello and welcome back to our Twisted Kitchen. Today it is my Twisted Kitchen, but I want to know how many of you out there would like for me to show up to your house and get drunk with you and cook vegan food, because I would love to do that. I would love to come out to you and make some vegan food with you. So please let me know where you are at. I will start in Lower Michigan and then either move up or move out or move wherever. So let me know where you are at and if you would love to be on our Twisted Kitchen, because I would love to cook with you and get drunk with you, because it would be a great time. So with that, I am your host, JJ King. Welcome to our Twisted Kitchen. Today we are going to be focusing on soul food. Today I'm actually going to be sampling a soul food meal from Speak Vegan, who is a vegan delivery service who does meal prep and all kinds of other things for the Grand Rapids area currently. If you are interested in checking out Speak Vegan, I will have all of his information in the description below for you to check out so that you can get amazing plant-based meals delivered right to your door. You could do it 3 days, you could do 5 days, you could do 7 days. However often you need prepared meals, he is willing to accommodate to that. He has a soul food, he has a stir fry, and he has a Cajun bowl this month. And it's funny that it lines up this way, because this month for our Twisted Kitchen is soul food meals. So go ahead and check out speakvegangr.co. I'm super excited to try this meal out today. You literally just have to put this in the microwave. You can either use this, which is microwavable safe, or you can put it in your own bowl. I wanted to leave it in this bowl to keep it aesthetically pleasing for all of you, so you're welcome. I'm also going to be making sweet potato biscuits. I'm really looking forward to that because I've been looking up the directions for this recipe for a very long time. Today, I'm going to be drinking a Sauv Blanc. It doesn't say it on here, it just says Sauv Blanc. But for you, it's called Sauvignon Blanc. Sauvignon, hold on, let me look this up.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc. From Dark Horse. According to this can, this whole entire can is a half a bottle of wine, and I've already had one. I'm just gonna finish this before I open this, because we don't need to drink too much, because I do still have to focus on other things. I would just like to raise a toast to all of us for being amazing at life and pursuing what we want to do, because I want all of you to be happy. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Here is a cheers to you. I love you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. There is a little bit of a burn back there. Now that we are into the portion of our Twisted Kitchen where we make food, I just want to highlight this beautiful meal. First of all, it looks amazing. Second of all, I want to explain to you what is inside of this. There are collard greens, sweet potatoes, corn, barbecue sauce, praline pecans. There's a lot of amazing food in here. Now that we have this meal out of the microwave, and it is actually really hot right now, I think 3 minutes is enough, but I'm gonna mix it up just a little bit. I'm super excited to try this out. It's very hot, so I'm trying to just let it cool down a little bit. This looks amazing. Wow! Really. That is amazing. This definitely tends to my soul. Not only is it the texture and the flavor, but it's just like the combination of flavors really plays into the success of this dish. Like, I don't know how he comes up with all of these recipes, but this is one for the books. This is so good. You could probably use some of this as leftovers. I don't think I'm gonna eat all of this right now, so like I'll probably eat more of this tomorrow. I might even give my mom some, because in the last few episodes I have not shouted her out and she's given me shit for it. So now I'm shouting her out. She gave me some vegan seasonings that she found on Facebook, so thanks Mom for that. She gave me plant-based on a budget, which I have been promoting for every single episode since she gave it to me for Christmas. So thank you Mom for giving me the plant-based on a budget. You can check that out in the description below if you are interested in transitioning to veganism, because that is a great way to help you transition to veganism. I also have a lot of other things in the description below if you want to purchase food items or camera equipment or whatever it is you want to do when it comes to transitioning to veganism. So in addition to the meal that was provided to me by Speak Vegan, I also planned on making some sweet potato biscuits. I did put one sweet potato in the microwave already to get it softened up so that I can mix it up and turn it into a biscuit. I will be taking you through that process. I'm actually kind of nervous, but I think it's gonna be alright. So we're going to make some sweet potato biscuits right now. I'm using 2 sweet potatoes for this recipe, so let's get right into it. As much as I wanted my food processor to follow through this entire video with me, I don't think it's going to fit everything that I need because I added all of the flour, the baking powder, and the salt to the food processor, and there was about that much space left. So I need to add in almost over a half a cup of butter. That's definitely not gonna fit, so I actually had to throw it into this giant bowl here. If you have a giant bowl, I think that will help out. Otherwise, I will put a food processor in the description below that will guarantee to help you out in this recipe. With that, I'm going to mix in this half cup of butter and check out the rest of this recipe, which I did get from a virtual vegan, which is a blog that I found with this recipe. I'm going to add that to the description below as well so you can check out this recipe for yourself. I'm going to continue making this meal for you and show you how great these biscuits are gonna be. We finally have our biscuits ready to put into the oven. This one, not as pretty, is for me because I have been putting a lot of work into this. According to this recipe, I deserved it. I will be eating that as soon as these come out of the oven. We'll see how they turn out, but I'm hopeful for them. They look amazing. I'm going to throw these in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes just to make sure that they cook all the way. I will probably put them in for 20 minutes total, but check them every 5 or 10 minutes. So, here we go. The sweet potato biscuits are out of the oven. They have been drizzled in maple syrup, quite a bit of maple syrup if I don't say so myself. And I actually got the idea to bring out the meal from earlier from Speak Vegan and mix the sweet potato biscuits in with it. Thank you also to Speak Vegan for generously donating this meal to me. I'm excited to try this biscuit. So I put maple syrup on top of all of them. Look at how glazy that is. That's beautiful. And then the layers too, I'm kind of surprised. I do think, however, that the biscuits are a little bit thicker than they should be. I could easily put butter on this, and I think I'm going to. I think this would probably be better as soon as they come out, but I'm gonna try it out. Wow. Holy shit. I'm actually pretty impressed. The recipe for this will be in the description below. This shit is great. Pro tip. add butter. If you live in the Grand Rapids area, you need to check out Speak Vegan. I will have all of his information in the description below. I also would highly recommend the recipe for the sweet potato biscuits. They're amazing. Combine the two and you have a meal that's out of this world and completely soul food. Thank you so much for joining me this week on Our Twisted Kitchen. It would mean the world to me if you could like, comment, and subscribe below and let me know which looked the best to you. Was it the sweet potato biscuit? Was it the soul food meal itself? I hope you all have a wonderful night and a great weekend, and I will see you next week for another video. Have a great night.